In front of me is LENOVO Tab M8 410, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Auto Brightness shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now pink. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into Devices Settings, tap on Display section, and click on this gray sweater next to Adaptive Brightness to activate it. Then on the same, now purple one to switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!